Hey! My name is Cody. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about GE Blower MTR ASM part #WB26X10169. GE Blower Motor Assembly part #WB26X10169 is a replacement part for many GE brand ovens and ranges. It is a 120V, 60 Hz, 1/3 HP motor assembly that includes the motor, fan blade, mounting bracket, and wiring harness. The motor assembly is used to circulate air within the oven cavity to ensure even heating. It is an OEM, original equipment, manufacturer, part that is designed to meet the exact specifications of the original part. This part should be installed by a qualified technician and should only be used with compatible models. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is a replacement blower motor assembly for a range hood. It can be used to fix symptoms such as the blower motor not working, the blower motor making noise, or the blower motor not producing enough airflow. Here is how you install this part. 1. Unplug the power cord from the wall outlet. 2. Remove the screws that secure the blower motor assembly to the appliance. 3. Disconnect any wiring harnesses connected to the blower motor assembly. 4. Remove the old blower motor assembly from the appliance and discard it. 5. Install the new blower motor assembly in its place, making sure to reconnect any wiring harnesses and secure it with screws. 6. Plug in the power cord and test your appliance to make sure it is working properly with the new blower motor assembly installed. You can buy this part from www.PartsIPS.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.PartsIPS.com.
Visit www.PartsIPS.com to order residential appliance parts.